This is the elevator at the Nathan Benderson Park Finish Tower in Sarasota, Florida. It's an Otis Gen2, installed in 2017. Let's go to 6. Here we are at 6. Nice view out there. Let's go 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Stainless steel cab. Pretty tall cab as well. £3,500 capacity. Here we are, 1. Let's go back up to 6. Here we are at 6. Let's take a look at the view. So we can see North Cattleman Road and also Interstate 75 out there. Yeah, we can see it's a rowing facility. So 2,000 meter rowing course. The start line is all the way out in the distance, and the finish line is right here. I can't tell if you can see that, but somewhere out there it says finish. There's a little look down. You can see there's University Town Center off in the distance. There's the Homewood Suites, there's the mall, and I believe that's supposed to be a moat aquarium when it's done. Also a circus tent. Yeah, pretty cool view. Honestly, one of the best in Sarasota. There's the Nathan Benderson Park logo. It's kind of windy today. Oh, that door's locked, so we gotta go around the other way. Also, I didn't point out, downtown Sarasota is off there in the distance. Anyway, let's go back down. So yeah, pretty basic elevator, although it is nice. I think this used to have padding on the inside when it was first installed, but they took it out. Before we end the video, let's get a little look at the tower from the outside. There goes the elevator. You can see stairs over there that go all the way up the tower. This is the Benderson family finished tower. So, yeah. Anyway, that'll be it.